7:15 on your Sunday morning as we take a beautiful sunny look outside. A great way to start the week. A great day yesterday, plenty of sunshine and warmth. So Mel, could we get a repeat today?
Unfortunately, no, but we do get to keep the sunshine, so we have that going for us. It's going to be cooler overall, and that'll help set the stage for some changes tomorrow as we bring in a wintry mix, and that'll transition to some rain. We still have some showers around about midweek, and then our other weather headlines this week, fairly quiet, a bit breezy at times, some chilly mornings, followed by afternoons in the 40s and 50s. So no 60s on deck, unfortunately, for our 7-day. We look at radar and satellite. Cold front moved through last night, and that has ushered in the colder air behind it. But what we're watching moving across the Midwest, you can see the swirl of moisture. This is the next system that's going to move in tomorrow, and that's going to bring us a morning mix that transitions to the rain. Let's get you out the door this morning because you can already feel the cooler temperatures ranging in the upper 20s, near 30 degrees for a lot of us. 24 though in Worcester, 30 in Boston. Of course, that would be nice if that was how it actually felt for you, but with this active northwest wind, it feels chillier out there. Feels like the teens and 20s, and that's how you want to dress. So hopefully you didn't toss that heavy winter coat away too far away. There's that active northwest wind, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. It stays gusty this morning, so the wind is the strongest this morning. As we get into the afternoon, it won't be nearly as strong, but still you'll notice that breeze. This is going to impact how it feels throughout the day. So even though our high temperatures make it into the range of the mid-40s, I think it's going to feel about 5 to 10 degrees cooler at times, especially throughout this morning when you factor in the wind. But we do keep that sunshine throughout the entire day, and then overnight we'll start to have some increase in clouds. Temperatures still staying chilly, and into tomorrow morning, if you're up early for the morning commute, say around 7, we're still dry, but you can see some of these light scattered snow showers really knocking on our door, filling in about 8, 9 o'clock. But as we get into the mid-late morning, warmer air is going to transition in, and this is flipping to rain pretty quickly. That rain snow line heads off to the north, and we continue with some of those steady showers really throughout the entire day. By the late afternoon, evening, we're clearing things out from west to east with showers lingering the longest across Cape Cod. So here's that snowfall forecast for tomorrow morning. A coating to 1 inch. This is generally going to be outside of 495, and I think you're looking at that slushy inch closer to northern Middlesex County, northern Worcester County, so areas north of Route 2. More accumulation is going to occur the farther north you get. Of course, that's going to be short-lived. It's just going to be washed away as this transitions to rain. I'm expecting anywhere from about ½ an inch to 3/4 of an inch of rainfall when all is said and done. So overnight, we have increasing clouds, temperatures falling again below that freezing mark for a lot of us. And then tomorrow, we're generally staying in a range of 50s with abundant cloud cover and those showers. We look at our rain chance this week, and then it's about 40% come Wednesday. We'll be watching for that shower chance. As we look at the Red Sox forecast for today in Fort Myers, if you're planning to watch that, wondering what the weather is going to be like, it's a toasty one, and temperatures are going to be near 80 degrees. 7-day forecast shows a lot of 40s and 50s on the board, and those chilly to cold morning starts.
But Melanie, it is a chilly one.
It definitely is, so you will want that jacket. Cool and blue for our day today, definitely not as mild as yesterday. Here are our weather headlines for this week. Tomorrow we have a mix that's going to transition to rain, so you want that rain gear, and you'll need it again likely come Wednesday when we track some showers. Overall, it's a fairly quiet week, though, a bit breezy at times, chilly mornings, and our highs are going to be in the 40s and 50s. Radar and satellite, area of low pressure and a cold front now off to our east. The cold air has moved in behind it, and we have high pressure near so that's going to support a dry and a sunny day for us. But you can see across Minnesota, area of low pressure and a warm front attached to it, some snow showers out ahead of it. That's what's going to work into our area come tomorrow. We look at our current temperatures, and it's cold out there. Could support some snow. 29 in Bedford, it's 32 in Norwood, 25 still in Worcester. There is still a wind chill factor because we've had this active northwest breeze, so it still feels like the teens and 20s despite that abundant sunshine that you're seeing out there. There's that northwest wind sustained about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Some gusts have been close to 30 miles per hour. The overall theme is this morning, it's windy. This afternoon, still breezy, but the gusts won't be as strong, about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Certainly still a nuisance, and it'll add that extra chill to the air. High temperatures inland reach the mid-40s, some low 40s within Worcester County, and low to mid-40s across Cape Cod. Some upper 40s possible for southeast Mass. Overnight temperatures are going to fall into the upper 20s, low 30s. So the cold air is here, and this is ahead of our system. So we'll have some increasing mid and high level clouds tonight. Clouds thicken up by tomorrow morning. Here's 7 a.m. Scattered snow showers off to our west. I think this moves in by, say, 8 and 9 o'clock. So we have the light snow showers, and coldest temperatures are going to be for areas north and west of the region. But watch what happens. We're going to start to bring in some warmer air as we transition to more rain. There could be some sleet pellets that mix on in, but this is pretty quick to transition to rain for all of us. By midday, you can see that rain snow line pushing into southern New Hampshire, and into the afternoon, most of us just talking about some steady showers, some downpours at times. By the evening, that line continues to transition from the west down to the east, clearing out of here by 9 p.m., so lingering the longest across Cape Cod and the islands. Here's our snowfall forecast, anywhere from about a coating to 1 inch outside of 495. I think most of us are looking at some patchy coatings on grassy surfaces in that immediate area, closer to that slushy inch for areas of northern Middlesex County into northern Worcester County, and the accumulations and slicker conditions are going to be found in southern New Hampshire. But again, it gets washed away for us because the rainfall is moving in. Rainfall totals anywhere from about ½ an inch to 3/4 of an inch. As we look at Monday, we'll keep the clouds around along with the showers. Make sure you have that rain gear. It's going to feel chilly with temperatures generally in a range of the 40s. 100% chance for rain tomorrow. Another shot at it come Wednesday. We could have some snowflakes with this one as well. Just depends on the timing of that system as it moves on in. Our March so far, it's been a mild one. Average temperature close to 50 degrees. So that's about 6 degrees above normal. It's been nice. We've been spoiled. Now this week, I don't have any 60s for highs in the forecast for you. It does include some chilly to cold mornings and afternoons. That'll be in the upper 40s, low 50s. So a tad bit closer to our average of 47.
Well, first responders reconnecting with a